Hi, 你好. This is lesson 13. In this video, I will explain initials G, Q, and C. First one, G. This pronunciation is similar to Jeep. J. G. When you want to pronounce this sound, you bring the tip of your tongue to the lower front teeth, but bring the front part of your tongue to the up. So say G. Actually, in this time, your tongue is curved in your mouth. Front tongue to the top, the tip of the tongue to the bottom front teeth. G. So next one have almost similar position for pronunciation. You say qi, qi, and the way it's pronounced similar to English word cheese. Qi. Next one, almost the same way to pronounce, same position to locate your tongue in your mouth. So the tip of the tongue go to the front bottom teeth, but the surface of the front part of your tongue go to the up. Say xi. I could hardly find a good match for English pronunciation, so you might try to feel this pronounce to compare it with she. There is a little bit difference between these two, but a little bit similar to she. Xi. Because G, Qi, Xi are really hard to pronounce, so the combination of these three initials with finals is not very much common. Here, only E and U can be combined with these three initials, not the other ones we have learned. So the story becomes simple. Let's start to practice. First one, G, E, G, 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 G. Second, Qi, E, Qi, 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 Qi. Third, Xi, E, Xi, 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 Xi. For the combination of G, Qi, Xi with U, you don't write these two dots on the top, because you definitely know there's only one combination, that is U. So they just eliminate that two dots on the top. Let's pronounce it. Ji, Yu, Ju, 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 Ju. Qi, Yu, Chu, 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 Chu. Xi, Yu, Xu, 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 Xu. Okay, I found several important characters for you to learn in this video. The first one is Ji, E, Ji, means chicken. So out of the chicken family, no matter small one, male or female, they're all chicken. And here you see this is a left-right structure character. On the right-hand side, this one is actually bird. If you see this sign in the future, you know it's going to be something related to a bird. Next one is lift. 击于举 means you bring something up high. So 举. The next one is 7. 七一七. So if you still remember, we also learned 八, that is 8. Here 7 has just 2 strokes. First one, second one. I believe you will definitely learn these after this video. Next one is take, get, or pick up. 七语 取 so means you go someplace to pick up something, to get something. For example, you go to the bank or ATM to get some money. 取 Next one is the direction west. 西 一 西 Let's see how we are going to write it. First, second. See, we don't write this one, but the second one is here. So this is the rule for this writing. Next one here. Then we are going to write this. And the last stroke is just like a gate. So whenever you want to write something square, you end up with this horizontal stretch, like you shut the door. 西 Okay, this is all the content for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.